All right, good morning, guys. I guess I should say good afternoon because it's 1:34 here on a rainy day in Texas, which, that's kind of nice for a change, isn't it? Kind of nice to be at the computer listening to the rain and writing a little bit today. But we're doing things a little bit different this week, and I wanted to make sure that you pay attention to the details. So we're working on our compare and contrast essay, right? And what are we comparing and contrasting? We're comparing remote learning and face-to-face learning. And I know several of you have very strong opinions about that. You've already told me a little bit about that, and I can agree with some of that. Some of this is hard, right? But you guys have been troopers. We marched through this class, and many of you are doing really well. So I want to make sure that we continue that, and I call your attention to some details going on this week. So by Wednesday of this week, you need to post your compare and contrast essay into your group. Now, there are 8 different groups. When I looked last, I think someone from group 2 and someone from group 8 have already posted. There are 5 to 6 of you in that group. So you'll post your essay by Wednesday. When you see those posted, start reading them. And I want you by Friday to pick the best essay from your group. And I'm going to put up a little discussion place in there where you can tell me why you think that is the best essay. And you can complete that as a group, or you can complete it individually, but I need one essay. I need y'all to get into agreement on one essay, and I want you to tell me why you chose that essay. Okay, so then I want you to take that essay and I want you to revise and edit it. And you're going to do this as your group. Someone may be in charge of misspelled words, and someone may be in charge of the MLA format, and someone may be in charge of making sure that the topic paragraphs are richly filled out and have good detail. And some of your group may be in charge of the intro and the conclusion. Remember, in that intro, I want to hook. I want to get interested in what you're telling me about either remote or face-to-face learning, and then making sure you have that thesis statement, your claim in 3 points. And several of you have asked me, do we have to pick a side? You don't have to pick a side. You can remain neutral, but I still need what you think about it and the 3 points. Someone may be in charge of the conclusion. Whatever y'all decide, I want you to go through that essay and I want you to revise and edit it. If I were you, I would have somebody put it through Grammarly or Smart Thinking, or do you are peer reviewing it, but taking it down to the TC Writing Lab. Any one or all 3 of those things can make your essay stronger. By the end of the day on Sunday, I want you to submit one essay. I want you to take the essay that you've chosen as a group and the one that you've revised and edited, and I want a final copy. That will be the essay I grade for your group. So however many people in your group will get that same grade. So all 5 or 6 of you will get the same grade of that essay. Now, what happens if you don't participate in the discussion board? Because I'll be watching. If you don't participate in the discussion board, I'll grade your personal essay separately. So however good or however bad, right there on the discussion board that I see, I will grade it and I'll give you an individual grade. And why is that? Because in this exercise, we're trying to develop collaboration, which you're going to read about in the next week. We're going to learn about working with a team. We're going to learn to work together, and how we pull all that together in an essay, in a writing venue. So there are deliberate reasons we're walking through this, and I expect you to be part of it. And I want to remind you, we're at week 5. Can you believe that? Week 8 will be your final, so you'll have no other assignments that last week. So you literally have 3 more weeks to learn all you need to from me and complete all the things that you need to do to get the grade you want. Now remember, I'm your biggest cheerleader. I'm going to cheer you on. I'm going to help you all I can. As you can tell, those of you who have called, texted, and emailed me, I've been right on it, right? As soon as you get it to me, I try to respond very quickly because I know time's ticking and we're moving, right? So I'm here to help you. But remember also, I will not do the work for you. So make sure you pay attention to these details. Wednesday, post your compare and contrast essay. Friday, as a group, select which one you're going to move with. And by Sunday, after you've revised and edited as a group, I want you to submit one final copy of that essay. If you have any questions, reach out. But I think you're going to rock this. All right. Have a good day.